Hey guys, welcome back. So right now we're at Jack in the Box. We're getting some Jack in the Box, of course, because we're hungry. We barely woke up like at 1 p.m. because we were out late. Lupe was working and it just got busy, and we ended up going to a city where she had like a high paying order, but I'm not gonna say if it was Uber or DoorDash, but they canceled it. I don't know, but I don't want to talk bad about the company, but yeah. So we ended up going out to the city and not getting an order at all, so just wasted our time. But that's fine. We're gonna move on to another order today when we do orders again later on tonight. Well, she's working, but I'm not, but I'm just low-key helping her, but you guys, shh, they don't need to know. So right now we're gonna get some Jack in the Box. I love Jack in the Box. And I think we're gonna get the chicken sandwich. Don't be afraid to show the coupon.
The Homestyle Ranch.
Guys, don't be afraid to use the coupons, because gotta save money. Save $3. Coupon codes are good. Get money off. So yeah, we're just waiting. I don't know why it's taking so long. There's not even a line.
And the reward.
Yeah, the Jack in the Box rewards, they give you a free burger.
Not sponsored.
Yeah, it's not sponsored at all, but yeah, it's really good. I like that. You think we should go on a coffee?
I thought we were gonna make one.
Low-key, I want one already, like made.
I know, me too.
What do you think is better? Caramel? Caramel?
I get the vanilla one.
Caramel or what?
What you like? Do you like caramel? You're the one that likes caramel. I don't really like
What do you think, vanilla sweeter or vanilla?
vanilla. Or caramel.
Like, you think caramel feels like too much mocha, or?
Caramel is caramel. Mocha is mocha.
So I should get vanilla then.
The vanilla one is good.
Let's just get vanilla.
Damn, cool.
But just get vanilla. Okay.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Oh. I'm like, how do you say it? Hi, can I get 2 Homestyle Ranch chicken clubs?
Combo?
No, just the sandwiches, please.
Do you have a coupon for that?
Yes.
What is the number?
771.
771.
Yes.
Thank you. Order?
And a regular or large?
The large.
Can I get a 2 large iced vanilla coffees?
What size?
A large?
Large vanilla coffee?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Can I get light ice, please? Sorry.
Anything else for your order?
And the
I can't
10
see.
chicken nuggets, please.
Combo?
No, just the chicken nuggets.
Anything else for your order?
Do you want fries? Curly fries? You wanna add?
No, that's gonna be everything.
Oh.
Is everything correct with this screen?
Yes. Thank you.
No curly fries. That's okay. That's okay, Lupe. We'll just eat a chicken sandwich. Gotta stay healthy. Yeah, huh?
Karen got her chicken nuggets.
She definitely got her chicken nuggets. So what? So how's your YouTube channel going? She got 10 more views. We're just gonna wait for our order. We're gonna get it. It's kind of taking a little bit, so we're just gonna wait, and then I'll see you guys after we pick up the food. We got it. Got my coffee, whichever one this is.
They're both the same.
The vanilla. So we're gonna head home and eat.
Not today.
Huh?
It's hot today. Why?
I know, and it's like cloudy. It's like cloudy. So we're gonna head home and we'll see you guys after we, well, probably only see me.
My bag.
You got your chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
A ver, let's see them.
Wait, first let me pop these. Pop, 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 poppy, pop, pop,
We used to do that too.
pop. There. Now we come out.
Let's see the chicken nuggets. Whoa. Yummy.
And here's the barbecue sauces.
Alright, and then my chicken sandwich. The home style chicken club sandwich.
Smells so good.
Okay, we're gonna eat. So it's like 6 and we're gonna go to Bakersfield. Where are we going, Karen?
To the Dollar Tree?
To the Dollar Tree. Yay, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're on our way right now. We're with my sister and then my mom. So yeah, so I'll show you guys the way. Karen. Okay, we gotta go. We're on our way right now. We're here at Jack in the Box. We're waiting for our order. How Lupe? It's been a couple of minutes because it's busy today. It's like Sunday.
Karen se la puso. Yo le traje ese.
My mom's little straw. Is that hold on, I'll check right now. Hi and vlog.
Hi.
A ver qué
Vamos a
agarraste.
comernos unas ricas curly fries.
She got the homestyle chicken club, the number 11. They got my order. Finally,
No, déjame ver si agarramos.
I got some tacos. I'm gonna eat them with ranch. Some ranch. We're on our way to Dollar Tree. We're almost there.
Yeah, the crisp from the lights is so bright.
Don't look at them. Don't look at them. You have to look the other way, not at the lights, okay?
And those too.
Yeah, don't look at the lights directly, okay?
Ew, there's no more lights.
Remember, do not look directly at the lights,
Okay.
because then that hurts your eyes.
Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree,
Vamos a comer mole, ¿verdad?
Dollar Tree.
I see it. Well, this one smells pretty good. This one? You want it? Maybe. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Oh, look at the candle. Oh, we don't have batteries.
So when the lights go out.
Flashlights.
Light.
Great. What does it say? Contigo soy feliz.
Yeah.
Got some tape for packing.
We need a poo butt.
You want to get it?
Look at the pizza.
Wow, alphabet.
Which book are you going to get?
Candyland. Candyland. The pizza, look at your favorite. Candyland.
Wow.
They made it out of book.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. I think I want to get this one. And get it.
You going to get a book or what? You haven't even finished the ones at home.
I was looking for
That's
the.
The pizza looks like Candyland. Candyland. Candyland.
Yes, nice.
Can I get it?
No.
But I have money. I have money.
Then get it.
I want to get it. I want to get it.
Get it.
You
Get
don't want
it.
something different?
Is there toys?
Oh, look at this Disney Princess one.
Disney Princess? No.
No. Okay.
Paw Patrol. Ooh. This is what. Look at this. It's so
They're
pretty.
coloring books.
I want to get this for Christmas. I was saying.
There's a lot of stuff right here.
Look at this.
Which one are you going to get?
This is a coloring book.
Which one are you going to get though?
I don't know which one to pick.
Hmm.
Can I pick all of them?
No. No. No.
Hey, look at Star.
There's a giant, the Blue's Clues one. Lupe, grab it. The one for Karen.
She already got that one.
Oh. Okay, pick one, Karen.
More Jojo Sima.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna get two. I'm gonna get two. Look what I
Okay.
got a shower.
Good. Good. Very good. Which one are you gonna get?
This one. And I'm gonna get three. Three of them.
Choose one
I want this one.
so you can use it today. Let's see, Lupe. Some
Can
hand
I
soap.
smell it? Can I smell it? I want to smell it.
Smells good.
Babies.
Always be honest, be kind, be friendly.
Guys looking for the babies.
The golden rule.
Look
this
at guys for the
tampons.
babies.
We don't have no babies.
We don't have no babies, Karen, and you're already grown up. You're 5 years old.
Oh, look at this, so pretty. Look at, what is this? What is this?
Body wash.
Body wash?
Yeah, for so you can shower. You want to get the baby shampoo?
Yeah.
No, let's go.
Let's go to the toy section.
You let her get that?
My mom. Well, she needs to shower when she gets home.
Yeah, like this. Scurry,
I know.
scurry.
The hot and spicy firework.
Firewalk.
Oh, firework. Get
Did
it?
I get it?
Your mouth is gonna be burning.
I don't care. I feel it burn. Not bad. Best Buy 11/17/23.
Hey, look, they have the Tapatio one too. 1 hour later, Lupe. 1 hour later. Let's go.
Hey,
That 1 hour later.
that was an hour.
Yeah,
No wonder.
we were in there for like an hour.
No wonder I got hot. I'm walking around.
So I just got home. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. I got this tape for the packages in case I get an order. And then I got this face powder. I'm gonna try it out because the Tarte face powder, it's like kind of strong. And like my face kind of runs at the end of the day. So I'm gonna try this one. This one is pressed face powder by B-Pure. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is the face powder. So excited to try this one. Pressed face powder. I'll probably try it when I do my makeup again. But it looks like this. It's pretty small, but hopefully it works good. And then the duct tape.